Hello, 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 and welcome, welcome, welcome. If this is your first time here, hey, I'm B. Welcome to my channel. I also have an Instagram under the same name, so be sure to join us over there as we are a growing, loving family, and we would love to have you. Today, I'm going to be doing a kind of haul try-on review thing, and this is for one of my tried and true, which is Shein. So, let's get started. The first thing is this outfit that I'm wearing right now. I get mostly two-piece sets from these places. I just feel like they have the cutest two-piece sets, and this one is from Shein. It's kind of a plaid and floral mix, and it comes with this skirt. Together, I think it's a little bit much, but I would wear either piece separately. So this is definitely something I'll be wearing in summer. I think it looks really cute, and I really like the colors together. It is fairly cropped. I did get this in a large so that it would fit in the skirt, because the skirt, I would say, it's probably the size of a medium. So all in all, I really like this one. This is my favorite of the two. Next from Shein, I have this other two-piece set. It's a really pretty color, but it is like fairly see-through, and it just doesn't fit me very well. It's, I'd say, a little bit snug in the hips. It is a large as well. The top is what I was most excited about. That's kind of why I got the set. And the problem with the top is it is far too big in the back. If I move my arms up at all, it'll just come right off my chest. And this is something that I don't think you're supposed to wear a bra with. So I would say that this is probably like a medium or a large, and it is adjustable. I can tie it more close if I want. I will probably try to take the top in the back so that way I can still wear it. So the next thing from Shein is this two-piece set. It is a nice kind of babyish pink color. I thought this was going to be more of a cotton material, but this is more like sandpaper material. It's pretty rough on the outside of it. The inside is like fairly smooth. I think it's just like 100% polyester. I got this one in a large too, just because it has that really cool snap detail that I've been seeing everywhere. And it is pretty see-through as well. But I think it's a really cute color. It's just, don't wear dark underwear with this. And the last thing from Shein is this really cool wrap dress. It's white, so obviously it's see-through, but it has such cool detail on the sleeves. Like, look at that. And it's not a bad length. It makes me look extra tanned. So that's bonus. And I just really love the detail on the sleeves. I think it's so cool. And it's just like a nice little wrap dress for summer. So it is see-through, so I'd suggest wearing like a little slip or something underneath it, or some shorts so no one sees your butt. But obviously I always recommend Shein. It's one of my favorites to work with. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you like it, and subscribe if you want to. You can always find me on Instagram. I'm there every single day, and I will definitely check you guys' Instagram out as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.